A massive truck rolls across a bridge as thin as paper. The Dadong Suspension Bridge in Wulong, Chongqing, China, stretches 240 meters across a 300-meter deep gorge, supporting loads up to 45 tons without any supporting pillars. Anchored by 4 high-strength steel cables into concrete blocks, its catenary design optimally distributes tension, ensuring remarkable stability. The 12-meter wide steel deck, just wide enough for one vehicle, challenges drivers amid strong gorge winds, evoking both thrill and awe. The technology behind Dadong marks a significant leap forward. Lightweight yet durable cables handle immense forces, while precisely engineered concrete anchors distribute tension and compression. IoT sensors monitor tension, vibration, and load, paired with AI to analyze real-time data, predict risks, and ensure safety in Chongqing's unstable karst terrain, prone to landslides and tremors. Though temporary, Dadong serves as a vital lifeline for the Shuangbao Bridge project, the world's largest double-arch bridge, transporting heavy materials across the gorge, showcasing flexibility and efficiency in infrastructure construction. Renowned for its fragile yet proud design, Dadong is dubbed the world's scariest suspension bridge. In Chongqing, a city of engineering marvels with soaring flyovers, mountain tunnels, and deep subways, Dadong reinforces its reputation for bold innovation. Though short-lived, it stands as a symbol of creativity, pushing beyond the impossible and leaving a lasting mark on China's infrastructure legacy. China boasts other slender suspension bridges, testaments to its mastery of engineering and nature. For instance, the Aizhai Bridge in Hunan, spanning 1,176 meters across a deep valley with a pillar-free design, was once the world's longest suspension bridge. Similarly, the Siduhe Bridge in Hubei, perched 496 meters high, uses ultra-strong steel cables to conquer rugged mountains. These structures, with minimalist designs and cutting-edge technology, not only connect remote regions but also embody ambition, transforming harsh terrains into opportunities to showcase engineering prowess. Dadong, alongside these bridges, forms a brilliant chapter in China's quest to conquer nature, where human ingenuity and courage turn dreams into reality.